Wow, good morning everyone. You can see the foggy weather. I am now in the field, paddy field, which is completely underwater. You can see water and water hyacinth. Look at the weather, it's so foggy. It's a winter morning, it's a misty winter morning. You can see the place is so amazing and beautiful long trees around me. Oh, you can come to this place and look at the house. It's completely under the inside the forest, you can say. Oh, oh no. Oh, you can you can explore the place. It's inside a place. So that is 1 minute. See you later, see you tomorrow.